tugatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntubwate showroom asura chagwirigiriye amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yetu nigo ere enkare eyuerengia na boigo ekogokia riso yao chingaki ogoswasa bigakurigiriya amabati aiga ntubwate team tembo abo bagakora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebereye kende gensi uraganie bagotebereye company ya mabati rolling mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwata chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwata no corrugated na boigo box corrugated asiko babwata boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerunge tato asama mabati alia yechigeche meronge bire na isaro na isato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala buna bone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya ouru superstores yegutoka se nyumba ya ouru complex imiyumuchuri gobusongo eyuerangene neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakire simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Itkore komina kabere morogo bomi mwancho muri Getembe TV Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchera yo wenge ntengatire ni Nyaboga veni Nyaboga kuroso umuntu wabibonire kabana intugo ikomore tokumanye gati yari abereka kwatika kuro imenes ko yoro ngoro gusi nene mono ritkeriga abakenya babete bakuriganyira mono kitko mu waziri w'ikiganje cy'serikali Musike John Mbadi aikire bose bwebunge erigo soma e budget yo mwaka 2025-2026 eneri tkoboigo abasaibeke gori ya agency bagende kurobekana asobo gatagatibu mu Nairobi eri kwamereria gose korera oyo mwabo iwegore ngo mworoke na omo bloga ase erieta Albert John kurwase county ya Homabeka bana intoweka omwario natoko chaka nigo okorobekana kwa basayo siniga basara basaye beke gori ya agency bagendete kurobekana asobo gatagatibu mu Nairobi eri korera na kumurunganiria ogoito gosogo kwa koyo mwabo yore ngo mworoke na boy mu bloga ase erieta Albert John tanyare chibi cha kurwase gatagatibu sasa ari agendete ime yo mu Nairobi
Asante sana Peter, thank you so much.
Na togotigana nayo nigo muwaziri bw'ekeganja serikali Musike John Mbadi aikire bose bwe bungene ne gose ari bose bwe bungene ne eri gosoma e budget yo mwaka 2025-2026.
To drive digital transformation and inclusion, the government has expanded last mile fiber optic connectivity to 13,590 kilometers in 2025, up from 8,900 kilometers in 2022, an increase of 53%. Two, established 285 digital hubs across the country and also increased the number of digitized government services from 350 in 2022 to 20,985 in 2025 through integration with the e-citizen and mobile platforms, ensuring seamless access for all Kenyans. Seventh, to promote access to reliable and competitive energy, the government has expanded energy generation by installing an additional 167 megawatts of electricity from 3,076 megawatts in 2022 to 3,243 megawatts in 2025. This has enabled connection of 932,839 more customers to electricity.
Na ekero muwaziri oyu agendete gosoma e budget yo mwaka 2025-2026 nigo abamenye kuru Chinsemo aho babwatukire ebirengerero byabo nabo igo keria baganete ase e budget yo mwaka 2025-2026 na gokwana nabamenye bo mucho bosongo litkoria rero nigo babwate ayayiga.
Haya, kwa majina naitwa Sabini, mimi mkaji wa Kisii, nafanya biashara Kisii. Mimi vile hii virus vile nenda kupitishwa kama vile nenda kusoma hii budget, kitu ndaweza ambia Rais Samuel William Ruto. Kitu ya kwanza, mafuta ya mboga imepanda sana. Tafadhali Rais, hiyo kitu nataka kuangusha bei. Kitu ya pili, maskini wanalia, hawana pesa, hawana chakula. Unaona watu wako hapo ni maskini. Hii Kenya tuko na maskini wengi, hawajiwezi mahali popote. Tafadhali Rais. Kitu mimi ndaweza kukuambia, nataka na kuheshimu sana Rais. Kitu ndaweza kukuambia, kama mimi mkaji wa Kisii County, vitu zote vianguke bei. Kwa sababu sasa tunaona watu wako na mashida wengi, watu wako na shida.
Mwancho murigerera ebine birengerera yakati abamenye bo mucho bosongo korende tokorera na bwika asa magache bunge mucho Nairobi abu asomo waziri w'ekiganja serikali Musike John Mbadi agenda tokosoma e budget ayo maranda manki Chinsa ibere na nyecho botkubarero na Haruno Toto Nyangiri.
Notable challenges, primarily following the withdrawal of the Finance Bill of 2024. Its withdrawal, alongside the associated public demonstrations, adversely affected economic activity and disrupted business operations across the country, compounding the fiscal pressures facing the government already. In response, the government undertook a revision of the fiscal framework through Supplementary Expense Number 1 in August 2024. This revision reflected a lower revenue base following the preliminary outcomes of financial year 2023-24, while also addressing immediate cash flow constraints. These adjustments were critical to ensuring the continuity of public service delivery. Mr. Speaker, in addition to the mid-year economic disruptions, the budget execution has been further constrained by shortfalls in revenue and emerging expenditure pressures. Notably, the implementation of the collective bargaining agreements and funding requirements under the new university education financing model have placed significant demands on the available fiscal space. These challenges have led to cash flow pressures and a buildup of pending obligations, necessitating careful fiscal management and reprioritization. To address these evolving dynamics, the government prepared supplementary budget estimates to accommodate revenue shortfalls experienced during the current fiscal year and accommodated expenditure pressures. On domestic revenue mobilization, Mr. Speaker, in order to support our economic agenda and sustain key government programs, the government continues to implement a balanced mix of tax policy and administrative measures aimed at significantly boosting revenue collection. As part of the process, the government is focused on broadening the tax base while reducing the burden of compliance. In this regard, we have prioritized sectors such as the digital economy, agribusiness, and small and medium enterprises in tax education and outreach programs. In addition, Mr. Speaker, Kenya Revenue Authority continues to embrace modern technology to streamline tax processes, facilitate trade, and enhance voluntary compliance. A key milestone in this journey is the launch of Gava Connect, an open application programming interface platform that enables Kenyan developers to build homegrown solutions for efficient access to tax services. This program enhances service delivery, improves transparency, and strengthens our ability to detect tax evasion. Mr. Speaker, Kenya Revenue Authority has also introduced several digital tools to simplify compliance and boost operational efficiency. One is what we call auto-populated VAT returns for seamless, accurate tax filing. 2, simplified pay returns, accessible via mobile, web, and application program interface. 3, electronic rental income tax system that has enabled transparent rental income declarations. And 4, forecourt electronic tax invoice management system integration in the petroleum sector, connecting fuel dispensers to point-of-sale terminals. This enables real-time transmission of sales data to electronic tax invoice management system, simplifying compliance and ensuring greater transparency in fuel transactions. Mr. Speaker, these solutions are more than just tech updates. They are the drivers of economic empowerment and accountability. Indeed, by simplifying tax procedures, developing user-friendly digital platforms, and providing on-the-ground support, Kenya Revenue Authority is nurturing a fair and inclusive tax culture, one that enables businesses to thrive while meeting their obligations.